Morning, students. We will continue the chapter 19 and we will discuss the economic environment in macro environmental factors. Actually, macro environmental factors is the overall environment mostly it affects the business which operates. So mainly the success of the business mainly depends on the macro environment only because these are not controllable factors we can say. There are so many, they offer so many enormous opportunities to the business. Sometimes they may threaten the business also. Now we will discuss the economic environmental factors. The business mainly it is an integral part of the economic system we can say. So the various variables in the macro environment system includes these following. First one is nature of economy based on the stage of development. Mostly the countries know they can be categorized on the basis of growth, per capita income into developed, developing, underdeveloped. Developed countries means they have strong high degree of technological advancement, very strong. Like we can give the example for USA, Japan, Germany, Canada and Australia. But developing countries like us, that is India, China, Brazil and all, they are dependent on the middle income economies only and there is an inequality distribution of income and then mostly high population they have and low standard of living of course and then technology is also very slow only and underdeveloped nations means mostly they are very low degree of technology and very poor standard of living only we can say. And the next one is nature of the economic system. The economic system also can be categorized into capitalistic, socialistic and mixed economy. Capitalistic means free enterprise based on the wealth. Okay, va? Next is socialistic means the central state has the control over the private sector. And then mixed economy like India. Both the public and private they combine together have their ownership together. And then third one is the economic policies of the nation, how they are be classified. Monetary policy that is பணவியல் கொள்கைன்னு சொல்லலாம். Fiscal policy that is நிதி கொள்கை and then export import ஏற்றுமதி இறக்குமதி policies and various industrial policies, trade policies. They are the part of the economic environment we can say. Next economic indices that is what are the indicators of the economy எதெல்லாம் economic system நிர்ணயிக்குது. For example, we can say GDP, gross domestic product, GNP, national income, per capita income, and then balance of the payments, rate of savings and investments. These forms an integral part of the economic system we can say. And the fifth one is development of financial market, various markets like capital market, money market, securities market, shares, debentures deal பண்ற இடம், and then banking system. They also have an impact on the business environment we can say. And the last one is economic structure. The economic structure is mainly based on the capital formation or investment pattern and then composition of trade balance and various distribution of occupations and then structure of the national input output. These only determine the economic environment of the business. So let us conclude this and we will discuss the next chapter in the next video. Thank you.